G'day YouTube, welcome back to another video on my channel. I just want to do an update on, keep showing you how we're going with those air layers on those Shimpaku junipers. It's a pretty quick video today, I think, nothing too much. What happened is the black plastic I found fell off these two. Whilst they've got roots, they're not ready. They're simply not ready to take off. There's just not enough on there. So those two will stay. I'll come and show you a close-up in a minute. On this big one, there's a big one in here. It's actually quite nice. There's some nice roots in there starting to form. It's forming big roots and small roots off the big root. Not too bad, but I think there's probably a couple months there still left. Yeah, it probably needs another month or two. That hasn't really been strong. Well, there's one down here. Actually, I didn't even see that. That's one of the main trunks. Now it's got a lot of roots actually. Its plastic is gone. Lots of bugs. But let me just check something. Sorry, I was just distracted very quickly. Yeah, this is a bit of a surprise. I didn't expect that to root so well. The problem is it's got two air layers up here, so we want to get rid of those two first before we can get rid of the bottom one. So unless they've done really well, we're not going to be able to take that off. I'll have a look. Oh wow, that's quite exceptional. Oh geez. Alright, I'll come and show you this. Bit of a surprise, but I think they're really good. They've done really well. Bit of a surprise. I wasn't expecting that at all. I was actually going to take another one off, which I thought I saw pretty good. That's what I was going to do this video for. Now I've just seen two really good ones up here, and the base one down here as well. That could come off as well, but what I might do is if I take those two off, I might let this one hang on for another month, just to let it get a few more roots. It's got pretty good. I'm tempted to take them all off, but there's definitely 1, 2 there, possibly a 3. And the main thing I wanted to show you guys was, I think this big one in here actually done really well. That one? Oh no, not that one. See? I'm getting confused. Actually, this one in here. Oh no, those two. Anyway, now I've lost my place. Where is it? Where are you? Oh, this one here. There you go. No, not that one. I'm very confused now. I think I threw myself off trying to find which one I was going to take off today because they were all doing so well. There's lots on there. There's at least five air layers. And I lost the one. Maybe it was just that one. Maybe it was that one. But I found its partner, which is really good, really nicely done. And this one in here's done well. So that's possible too. Oh, I could have take off 4 today. Even the base one down here possibly as well. So it's been very, very positive growth on this tree. And these two will have to give a bit longer. I think they're a bit weaker. The branches are a bit weaker. Maybe that one's not as going as well, but this one's almost there, so give it a little bit more time. But yeah, let me have a quick look and get some pots ready so I can put the air layer straight in there, and I'll bring the camera in and show you close up. Alright, so I thought I'd come and show you a close up of those two that are really good. Like, that is exceptional. Look at that. And look at that one, and look at that one. That's heaps of roots, so they're ready to come off. So we'll get rid of those two. As I mentioned, this one down here, the actual, I'm doing this one as well. So that's pretty good too. You can see it's actually pretty uniform. And it's the actual, see where these two are. It's the base of that. So I'm tempted, after I take these two, I want to see how much foliage is still left. So if there's not a huge amount of foliage, I think I can take that one off as well. And that should be fine as well. So pretty cool. This was the one I thought I was going to take off. There we go. But I'm not 100% sure yet. I'm going to have a closer look. See, it's not enough. I think I'll play it safe, and I'll keep them covered. And as I mentioned, these two are struggling. This one's okay. You can see there's roots forming there. That isn't too bad, but this one isn't doing much at all. So I'm a bit questioning this one. Might be a bit slow. It doesn't have. Oh, sorry, that was all blurry. Okay, I'll go back. So that one's not too bad. that is just, yeah, as you can see, there's not much roots at all, if anything. Can't see anything. But then I look at the foliage and it isn't the strongest. It's a nice tip there, but it isn't the strongest. It isn't like rocketing on. So it's a struggling one at the moment. It might not take that one, to be honest, but this is all looking good. I might give that a bit more time. It's not doing too bad at all in there. There's lots of roots there. Yeah, that one I would have liked to take the big one off there, but it's not ready. I don't think it's ready. But definitely these two up here, and this one most likely today. So let me just have a quick look, and I'll put the camera back on, and then we'll see what we come up with. Alright, so you saw what I was going to take off. It's these two here. Let's get rid of the black plastic. Save that for another time. Let me try and undo the wire if I can. Yeah, I usually leave a little end so I can just unwind it. It's easier than cutting it off and trying to damage the tree. So that's definitely good. That's a nice one. Cool. Sorry, got the wrong tool. Done. So I'll come in and show you a better look. Let me just make sure you guys can see that. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Pretty awesome. Nice little healthy, pretty straight though, but that's okay. That's small enough and skinny enough that once it puts out roots, I'll be able to bend that easily. Bend and twist technique. So pretty cool. So let's undo that. I'm alright. I like to be just very careful in this process. I don't want to disturb the roots too much. I'm always trying to be very gentle in this phase. Looks really nice and healthy. Pretty cool. If I can, I like to try and take... Sorry everyone, got a phone call in the middle of that, but I just potted the little guy up into some nice open mix, or my recycled bonsai mix. Just potted him up, nice little cute little tree. Just press a little bit in, just to make it sure it doesn't move around too much. I'm just going to water that in once I finish this other one, and there's one tree. That's not a bad little air layer actually. That's quite, to get that as a cutting for example, it can take quite a bit of time I think. So that's pretty good air layering. That was probably, when did I do this? Probably you've seen this tree a few months ago on my video channel, and look through my videos. I'll try and find the original one where I air layered it. But again, I think it's 2 to 3 months, and this is ready. So I think it's just timing. So if you time it nicely, I did these at the end of winter, very early spring. Or I think even winter I did. I think I did in August. So in August here, Melbourne's winter, but yeah, it worked really well. This is the second one. Even better. I think this one's even better. It has more roots. Again, just be careful when you're peeling the plastic off. You don't want to disturb those roots too much. Or this ball, so I do it nice and gently. And I'll come and show you that. Look at that, that's stacks of roots. I just got some half-ready plastic pots ready, and I'm just going to top it up with some soil. Okay, number 2. This has actually got nice 2 trunks too. It's got a twin trunk possibly in the future. Nice, healthy. I'm going to water those in, and they're ready. And they'll just sit there for the next 6 months. Now this guy. So I try and hide there actually isn't that much foliage on there. There's actually, oh no, there's this guy too. Oh, it's probably more than I thought. There's probably a couple of nice, there's a branch out here, there's a branch here that's feeding this. So, I'm tempted to cut it off, but maybe I'm pushing it too much. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap some black around it, keep it warm. I reckon probably in a month's time it'll be perfect. So let's not rush that, let's leave that. I think let's leave that alone. And I'm just going to have a look at this one closer, because I thought this is the one I could have taken off. But now in hindsight, it's it doesn't have enough roots. It's got a lot. It's got a fair bit, but I just think another month, and as well, give it another month. And yeah. So I might leave it there though. So this is where it came out of, in here. Two have come out nicely. You do find when they're up higher at the top, they seem to root much better and much faster. So yeah, this tree, once I get rid of all these air layers off, I should have a nice tree to actually style. So I've got to have a look at my old videos again and see what ideas I had for this tree. But it is quite a substantial tree with multiple trunks. But yeah, slowly getting the air layers off, getting some new trees to build, and here are the results of today's exercise. 2 new nice little Shinpaku air layers ready to go. 6 months in these pots, probably ready to style next spring. Probably, yeah, give it 6 months to maybe 9 months, then I'll be styling them, or putting some bends in them, and get them all twisted, because at the moment they're very straight. So I think that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Nice little update on some air layers. See you next time.